Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use split screen on your Mac operating system. So what you need to do is you just need to open any two applications which you want to use into split screen. Let's say I have the Safari browser and I have this text editor open, and I want to use both of them in split screen. So what you need to do is just go to any application, and then you will see these three dots on top of each applications. So you need to hover over this green dot, which is for entering into the full screen, right? So just hover over this green dot, and then you will see this option which says tile window to left of the screen or tile window to the right of the screen. So wherever you want to tile this window, you can choose that option. So let's say I want to tile this window on the left hand side. I will just click on tile window to the left screen, and what this does is it's going to tile this app on the left of the screen, and then I can choose the second tool. In my case it's text edit, and then I can just click on it and it's going to be tiled on the right hand side. Now if you want to resize the split screen, you have the option to move this split screen to the right or the left. You can see both the apps resizes when you move the center split line. So you can see you can either move it left or right, and accordingly the app size will be resized. Once you are done, you can just press escape, and then this split screen option is going to disappear, right? So this is how you can enter into split screen on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next